Welcome to Fast Career Growth channel. This is TPM basic online course. This is part 4. In part 1, we covered introduction part of TPM, how to calculate OE. In part 2, what are the tools used during implementation of TPM. And in part 3, we covered KK, Kaizen, JH, Jisuagen, and PM, plant maintenance. And in this part 4 session, we will cover quality maintenance, education and training, development management. So this is all about me, and the content of this part 4 are quality maintenance checkpoints, education and training checkpoint, development management checkpoints. So what is quality maintenance? This pillar aimed towards customer delight through highest quality, defect-free manufacturing, eliminating non-conformance in a systematic manner, reactive to proactive, like quality control to quality assurance. So what are the benefits after implementing this quality maintenance pillar? Defect-free condition and control of equipments, quality maintenance activity to control quality assurance, focus of prevention of defects at source, focus on POK, that means mistake proofing, foolproof system, inline detection and segregation of defects, effective implementation of operator quality assurance, and last benefit is achieve and sustain customer complaints to zero level. So this is quality maintenance. So what are the checkpoints you have to look into during implementation of quality maintenance phase? That means relationship between quality and equipment is well defined, defect-free equipment are being used and maintained, actions are being taken to prevent recurrence of quality defects in terms of man and machines, equipment based defect rate on the decrease, relationship between quality characteristics, that means operating conditions, equipment precision is well known, quality component on the equipment have been designed for easy inspection. So what are the other checkpoints for quality maintenance? Various analytical techniques are being applied systematically. Few repetitive defects are recorded, showing that defects prevention is under control. Actions are being taken to uncover and keep under control equipment based sporadic defects through inspection. Quality control training and education are in progress to help reduce equipment based defects. The rate of flow of work in progress has been greatly improved. These are the checkpoints for quality maintenance. What is education and training? This pillar aimed towards developing multi-skilled employees whose morale is high and who are eager to come to work and perform all required functions effectively and independently. Employees will be trained and to address the problem by finding the root cause and eliminating them. And the last one is the goal is to create a factory full of experts That means you have to make a factory of experts, operators, expert supervisors. All the things can be done after implementing education and training. So what are the benefits? Achieve and sustain zero losses due to lack of knowledge and skills or techniques. Remove, remove fatigue and make work more enjoyable. Upgrading the operating and maintenance skill. So what are the checkpoints for education and training? The knowledge and skills need for managers, staff personnel, and maintenance workers are well documented. Knowledge level of individuals about each equipment is understood and documented. Important training subjects are related to the company's future plans. Systematic training programs are available for managers, staffs, operators, and maintenance workers. The crucial design for the upgrading of skill for operators and maintenance workers are available and being used effectively and continuously improved. This is all about the checkpoints of education and training. Other checkpoints are a place is specially provided for the training of maintenance skill. That means a training room should be provided for education and training implementation pillar. Communication training is being actively pursued for overall upgrading of work skill of every employees. The effect of training and education is known. There are enough machine maintenance techniques who are qualified to do the work. There is active participation in outside lectures and training meetings and effective sharing of data and information. This, these are the checkpoints of training and education. So the sixth pillar is development management. This pillar aims towards collection and utilization of feedback information regarding present products before the start of design like MP sheets, measuring needs for ease of manufacturing by analyzing the process for present products, measuring needs for easy manufacturing by analyzing process of new products in the stage of planning and design products by identifying probabilities based on design reviews of new products, by identifying failures possibilities based on trial manufacturing and test on new products. So what are the benefits after implementing the development management? Reduce lead time to new product launch, reduce the losses, cost effective. These are the benefits of development management pillar. So what are the checkpoints of development management pillar? Initial control is being exercised on products and equipments with excellent results. Initial control of products and equipments is in place, including design reviews and debugging. Initial control of products and equipment has well-defined control items and yardsticks. Relationship between product and equipment is well defined for control items and yardsticks. Safety, reliability, maintainability, operability, and economy are fully taken into consideration in product and equipment planning, development, and design stage. The other checkpoints of development management are maintenance, prevention design approaches, and implementation in equipment, molds, jigs, and fixtures are all systemized. Information feedback system for MP design is in place. Unfortunately, uncertainty factors are taken into consideration in equipment planning. Economic comparison and risk analysis of plant investment plans are carried out appropriately. That is, life cycle costing is being done here. Equipment budgeting and control is appropriate. These are the checkpoints of development management pillar of TPM. This is all about, and in last video we will cover rest of two pillars of TPM. Thank you.